You can see the uterus right here. Flanking both sides of the uterus are the uterine tubes or fallopian tubes. When they curve like this, it's called the ampule. Then when the fimbriae attach to the ampule, we call that region the infundibulum. You can see the fimbriae right here of the fallopian tube. This represents the ovary. You have the ovarian ligament right here attaching the ovary to the uterus. You can see the uterus right here. This is the perimetrium. This is the myometrium. And this is the endometrium. You can see that sperm here in the uterus itself. You could see down here. This general region right here represents the os. You would have the external os here and an internal os here. The cervix is the rounded inferior part of the uterus. On each side you can see the fornix. This is the vagina. Representationally, you can see a cross-section of the ovary right here. These are not good representations of all the ovarian follicles. I'm just guessing that maybe they're just representing primary. You can't really tell the difference between primary and secondary in this model. But what they're showing here is actual ovulation of an egg. This gray mass right here represents the oocyte with the corona radiata around it and the sperm trying to penetrate the egg. Penetration occurs about 2/3 up the uterine tube. It would come down the uterine tube, undergo the process of gastrulation, hit the endometrium. And this model over here, that's what they're representing right here, is the implantation in the endometrial lining right there. You can also see in that cervical os right here a mucal plug. Again, this is the external os, this is internal os, and the mucal plug.